Good morning students, welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to study a new topic, that is multiplying a polynomial by a polynomial. Last class we studied how to multiply a monomial by a monomial, then a monomial by a binomial, next polynomial by a polynomial. So let's start with an example. Your exercise 9.4. Your first section, that is multiply the binomials. First question, 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3. You have to multiply these two polynomials or binomials. Clearly this is a binomial. Since it has two terms, we can call it as binomials. In generally we call this as polynomials. Okay. So we have to multiply 2x plus 5 into 4x minus 3. Okay. So how do you multiply? Listen. Take the first term of the bracket, that is 2x. Multiply this 2x with the second bracket, that is, this is equal to 2x into, the second bracket is 4x minus 3. Next, what is the sign here? Plus. Second term is 5. Second term also you have to multiply with the second bracket, that is plus 5 into 4x minus 3. Understood? That is first term 2x in a second bracket multiply plus second term 5 in second bracket multiply. Always use this arrow. Okay. Then you will not make mistakes. Next one. So how do you multiply this one? This is a monomial into a binomial. Here also you have to use the distributive property. That is 2x into 4x is what? 2 into 4 is 8. X into x is x square. Next, 2x into minus 3. 2 into minus 3 is minus. Then only one variable, that is minus 6x. Next, plus. 5 into 4x is 5 into 4 is 20. 20 into x is what? 20x. Plus 5 into minus 3 is minus 15. Then collect the like terms. Is there any like terms? Minus 6x plus 20x. Like terms. So you can write this as 8x square. 20 minus 6 is what? Plus 14. Okay, next, what is remaining? 14 x. Okay, next is minus 15. So this is the answer. 8x square plus 14x minus 15. Very important. 2x കൊണ്ട് 4x minus 3 multiply plus 5 into 4x minus 3. Then use the distributive property, that is 2x into 4x is 8x square. Put the negative sign. 2x into 3 is minus 6x, or 2x into minus 3 is minus 6x. Plus 5 into 4x is 20x. 5 into minus 3 is minus 15. Then we collected the like terms, that is minus 6x, 20x. 20 minus 6 is 14. X minus 15. So the answer is 18x square plus 14x minus 15. Then your fifth one. That is the same exercise 9.4. Question number 5. Exercise 9.4. 2pq plus 3q square into 3pq minus 2q square. How do you multiply these two binomials or polynomials? First, 2pq into second bracket. Next, 3q square into second bracket. That is equal to 2pq into second bracket is 3pq minus 2q square. Next, plus 3q square into second bracket 3pq minus 2q square. Next, you have to use the distributive property. 2pq into 3pq. 2 into 3 is what? 6. P into P is P square. Q into Q is Q square. Okay. Next, 2 into minus 2. Distributive property ആണ് ഇവിടെ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് കേട്ടോ. 2 into minus 2 is what? Minus 4. P in PQ into Q square. What is that? PQ into Q square. P, right as it is. Q into Q square is what? Q cube. Next, again distributive property. 3Q square into 3P cube. So first multiply the numbers. 3 into 3 is 9. Q square QP. So P you can write as it is. Q square into Q is what? Q cube. 3 into minus 2 is what? Minus 6. Q square into Q square is Q raised to 4. Q square into Q square. So you have to add the powers. That is Q raised to 4. Next, collect the like terms. P square Q square ഉണ്ട് ഇവിടെ അങ്ങനെ ഒരു term ഇല്ല. PQ cube. Then PQ cube. So these two are like terms. So you can write 6P square Q square minus 4PQ cube plus 9PQ cube. So 9 minus 4 is what? Plus 5 because the sign of the bigger number is positive. So plus 5PQ cube minus 6Q raised to 4. So this is the answer. 6P square Q square plus 5PQ cube minus 6Q raised to 4. So you have to use, we are using the distributive property throughout this problem. So first we multiply 2PQ with the second bracket. Next, second term 3Q square with the second bracket. Then we use also the distributive properties. And from the second step also we are using the distributive property 2PQ into 3PQ, 2PQ into 2Q square. Okay, again 3Q square into 3PQ minus 3Q square into 2Q square. When you multiply the numbers and the variables, you get the answer 6P square Q square plus 5PQ cube minus 6Q raised to 4. Next one, same exercise 9.4, section 3, simplify. Simplify. The first question is x square minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. Okay, you have to simplify this expression. So here this is multiplied. Two polynomials are multiplied here. So we have to first simplify these two brackets. How do you simplify? First term into the second bracket, second term into the second bracket. That is x square into x plus 5. Next is minus 5. You have to always keep an eye on the sign. Minus 5 into x plus 5 is not plus 25. Next, multiply x square into x is x cube plus x square into 5 is 5x square. Okay, then minus 5 into x is what? Minus 5x. Next, minus 5 into plus 5 is minus 25. Different sign arrange, multiply the numbers and put the negative sign. Plus 25. So this is equal to. Then check whether there are any like terms. X cube undo? No. 5x square. X square were the terms undo? No. X were the terms? No. Minus 25 and plus 25. So wherever you are seeing the same constant with a different sign, you can cancel that number. So what is the answer? X cube plus 5x square minus 5x. So this is the simplified form of the given algebraic expression. First x square. ഇതിനെ നമ്മൾ simplify ചെയ്തു. Multiplication നിങ്ങൾ പഠിച്ചു. ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് രണ്ട് ബൈനോമിയൽസിനെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തു. ലൈക്ക് ടേംസ് നോക്കി ഇല്ല. പക്ഷേ കോൺസ്റ്റന്റ് ടേംസ് ഒരു പ്ലസും ഒരു മൈനസും സെയിം ആയിട്ട് കിടന്നാൽ you can cancel those terms. I can write the answers x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. Second question is a square plus 5 into b cube plus 3 plus 5. How do you do this problem? The second question, a square plus 5. That is, first you have to multiply first term with the second bracket, then the second term with the second bracket. That is, a square into b cube plus 3 plus second term is 5 into b cube plus 3 plus 5. Okay. Next, use the distributive property. That is, a square into b cube is a square b cube. Next, a square into 3 is plus 3a square. Okay. Next, plus 5 into b cube is plus 5b cube. Next, plus 5 into 3 is plus 15. Balance plus 5. Collect the like terms, a square b cube. No like terms, a square. No like terms, b cube. No like terms, plus 15 plus 5. What is that? 15 plus 5 is 20. So what is the answer? A square b cube plus 3a square plus 5b cube plus 20. Like this, you have to do the multiplication. The last question. That is your fourth one. Fourth question. A plus b into c minus d plus a minus b into c plus d plus 2 into ac plus dd. How do you simplify this expression? This is a monomial multiplication. Second is also a binomial multiplication. This is also binomial multiplication. This is a monomial and a binomial. So you have to simplify these three expressions or these three terms. So first, a plus b into c minus d. First term into second bracket, that is a into c minus d. Next is plus b into c minus d. And first bracket we split it. A into b into split it. The second bracket you have to multiply it. Plus a into c plus d. Next, this is minus b. Minus b into c plus d. Plus, multiply 2 into ac plus bc is 2 into ac is 2ac plus 2 into bd is 2bd. This is equal to, you have to simplify this bracket also. That is a into c is what? ac. Next, a into minus d is minus ad. Next, b into c is plus bc. b into minus d is minus bd, because positive into negative is negative. Next, plus a into c is ac plus a into d is ad. Next, minus b into c is minus bc minus b into d is minus bd plus 2ac plus 2bd. Next, you have to collect the like terms. AC, one AC is here, plus AC is there. Next one AC plus 2AC. So AC plus AC is what? 2AC plus 2AC is 4AC. AC the like terms. Next, minus AD. Minus AD. Next, plus AD. So you can cancel. Minus AD plus AD. Here two terms you can cancel. Is there any other AD there? No. Next, plus BC, then minus BC, cancel. Minus BD, minus BD. What is the answer? Minus BD is minus 2BD. This is minus 1, this is minus 1. Minus 1 plus minus 1 is minus 2. So, minus 2BD. Here, one more term is there, plus 2BD. Okay. So minus 2BD plus 2BD, you can cancel because they are the same terms with different sign. So what is the answer for AC? This is the Understood? So, നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം എന്താ ചെയ്തത്? A into second bracket plus B into second bracket. Here A into second bracket minus B into second bracket. Here we multiplied 2 inside the bracket, 2AC, 2BD. Then we use the distributive property. Next we have to collect the like terms. AC, AC plus 2AC. Total 4AC. 1 minus AD is there, plus AD is there. You cancel. Plus BC is there, minus BC is there. Cancel. Minus BD is minus 2BD plus 2BD is there. So minus 2BD plus 2BD. There also you can cancel. So the answer is 4AC. You have to write and study all these problems. Very, very important sections for your higher classes also. Hope you all understood today's class. Thank you.